This video will help you to remove the new adware called OriginalNavigation. OriginalNavigation is a adware that actually is a part of the adload family. This adware, once installed, may display pretty intrusive advertisements while you browse the internet. These ads are not really associated with the sites that you visit. If this OriginalNavigation adware was somehow installed to your system, be sure to get rid of this OriginalNavigation as soon as you can. So access your Finder, check your applications, right-click on this OriginalNavigation and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to additionally research the device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com, so use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.